guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey bills. So guys, today I'm coming up to you with this vacation party makeup look-ish vibe going on my face. And yeah, I decided to go for bold lip and I'm happy the way it turned out too. If you're interested, want to see how I come up with this eye look and lip combo, you don't know what to do, just get on and enjoy. And please make sure you let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, without any further ado, all the products I use are going to be listed down below as usual. No rumbling, no long talking. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. Take care of your child. Mwah. Taking the All Nighter by Urban Decay in the shade Dark Natural. This is going to be my eyeshadow base. Just going to apply just a little bit. My Sephora blending brush. No need for me to set it because this concealer has a dry consistency, so I'm just going to dive into the eyeshadow. To achieve this eye look, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palettes. This one right here. I'm going to be taking the shade called Ashes. I'm just going to take this brush from Louis Cosmetic. I'm just going to start applying that. This shade is super pigment, as you can see. I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to apply the rest on the other side of my eye. I'm just dabbing first before I go in and apply. This look is super effortless. You don't need to get life twisted. Just going to dab, and at the same time I'm diffusing it out just with the tip of the brush. So for the next shade, I'm going to be taking the shade called Volcanic, this shade right here. Switch off to another brush. This brush is from Magnificence, and I'm taking this brush shade called Burn, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my edges more so that we have a little bit well blended edges. This shade right here, it has a little bit shimmer. This shade right here, I'm just going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. Wow, that is too much. I need to get rid of some. That is too much. So I'm going to take more in my brush. Taking my Magnificent brush without anything applied, I'm just going to kind of blend out that highlight because it's just too much. That is not me. That is not my vibe, baby girls. So right now I think we are better. Taking this shade called Eruption, and I'm taking the same brush, which is from 6 Plus. I'm just going to apply that shade on my lid. Taking the first brush, when I used to apply my crease color, I'm just going to kind of diffuse the edges a little bit, which is the inner corner. I don't want it to be too pronounced. I just want some highlight there. Yeah, we're okay. What are you thinking? What are you thinking, baby girl? The shade right here, I'm just going to apply that on my under eye. I'm just going to blow that very softly under my eye. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. gel liner, and I'm taking e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I'll be taking the Karl Lagerfeld X L'Oreal mascara. Lashes, pop it on. Almost forget. I'm going to be taking this silver brush, taking this shade called Bon Affair. Just going to dab a little bit in my inner corner. Yes. Lashes come through. To take this beauty glazed liquid lipstick. This one is in Leo. Okay, so I'm not going to be needing any lip liner. I'm just going to use the applicator to define my lips before I fill in my lips. Super beautiful, as you can see it on my lips. Super beautiful shade, super rich and super duper classic. See, look effortless. You don't need to get carried away. Okay, I only needed 3 eyeshadows to achieve this eye look. I'm loving the way it turned into. It might look a little bit similar on the look I did on my channel some months ago, but still the eye look is a little bit different because the way I blend the eye different. But other than that, I'm loving the way it turned out. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll be glad to read all your wonderful comment, and feel free to recreate this look. Okay, no long swacking, let's get a look together, honey. Okay.